Day 1. I bought this notebook to document my creation of my new machine.
A dream machine, of sorts.
It'll allow me to create reoccurring dreams of the good times. My marriage is falling apart. My wife comes home at night miserable, makes me miserable, and makes life real tough. I want to investigate the past to see what made our marriage so good back then. I need to fix this. I love her too much. Day 7. My first prototype is done. I spent almost day and night this past week crafting this thing. Using it is so much fun. When I'm in it, I finally feel happy again. I mean, I have no knowledge of the effect it has on my brain, sleep pattern, overall health. I can worry about that later. Day 15, I think. I haven't slept in as many days.
The machine is absolutely amazing.
My wife just yells at me. I don't care. My dream machine allows me to almost escape my worthless life. I've never been so happy.
I feel like I'm falling in love all over again.
I can't seem to shake this migraine, though. Day 30? I can't really tell anymore. I can't think too clearly either. Someone keeps trying to bother me while I use my machine.
She needs to stop taking me away from my machine.
Thanks, Kate. So after a long investigation, the police have finally arrested their suspect, Nicholas Perone, age 30, in connection to his wife's murder.
What are we gonna do with him?
I think we should take it easy. He's not saying
No. This nut doesn't deserve our sympathy. No.
We can't.
I don't know.
Day... I don't even know anymore.
I can't even write in my journal anymore. They took my pencil. They said I can't have sharp objects, but I don't know what that means. They don't let me leave this stupid room either.
No, he's a murderer.
Why am I here? I just need to get back to my machine. Can I go? Day 0. They told me I'll never go back home. It's like I'm a prisoner. I must have done something really bad. I have to get out of here, I tell them. They don't seem to listen. I'll wait as long as I need to get back to my baby.